All right. Now we're doing freeCodeCamp, JavaScript algorithms and data structures, object-oriented programming, set the child's prototype to an instance of the parent. All right. So in the previous challenge, we saw the first step for inheriting behavior from the supertype or parent animal, making a new instance of animal, right? So that's what we did right here, basically, right? So this challenge covers the next step where we set the prototype of the subtype or child, in this case, bird, to be an instance of animal. So we're going to set the, so we'll make like dog and bird down here, have the same prototype as animal, right? So it's the next thing on the chain. Let's come down here. So it'll be like this: object, object, and then animal, and then bird, in this case, bird slash dog. And then after that, duck or beagle, like that. Let's come home and press comment out, right? So that's basically how this chain is going to work here, all right? So remember that the prototype, so okay, first things first. So we're going to do bird.prototype now equals object.create animal.prototype, right? So that's how we get the bird to have the same prototype stuff in it as animal, right? So we're going to remember that the prototype is like the recipe for creating an object. In a way, the recipe for bird now includes all the key ingredients from animal. Okay. So now we're going to let duck equal new bird Donald. All right. So we're going to do, anyway, we're going to imagine that we actually have whatever that thing is going on. Let me copy this so we can put it back here. We're going to imagine that we already have this going on somewhere on that page. All right. All right. So then we're going to do duck.eat because it's got the same prototype as animal, which has the eat function in it. All right. So that's basically how it's going to go. Duck inherits all of animal's properties, including the eat method. So the eat method, that's what I meant. So now we're going to modify the code so that instances of dog inherit from animal. Okay. Anyway, so we're going to do pretty much just like this for dog. All right. So we'll come down here and we'll say dog.prototype equals, pardon me, object dot create animal dot prototype. All right. So all these words just to say that this now has this in it. All right. And now whenever we say beagle, come down here and say beagle dot eat, it happens now because this beagle has this prototype, which is the same as this prototype right here, according to this chain right here, basically. All right. So let's run the test. Looks good and submit it. All right. Now we're on to reset an inherited constructor property, and we'll see you next time.